Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser and then simply type in airbnb.com, and once you're there, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, the next step is to select a property that you want, and once you select it, here you'll be seeing this option that says resort along with the amounts, right? Simply click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be sent to confirm and pay. And once it's here, scroll down and under choose how to pay, you'll be seeing an option that says pay in full payment with Klarna. So simply select this option, and once you click on it here, scroll down and then fill up the required information like your phone number. And once you do that, scroll down and then you will find an option that says confirm and pay with Klarna. Simply click on it, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.